Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Man, I haven't said that in a while. Imagine going shopping for items and you go into the store and all you see are brown boxes. Do you like saving your boxes? And do you like marking up your boxes? Give the kids some crayons and a brown paper bag and have them draw all over it. Well, it's black and white to color. That's what I'm saying. I want to sit here, set the camera up, and just watch the lights go by in the painting. That means I gotta whip out the Action 3 or the Action 4 and see if it has. You got it. The Action 5 don't have it. All I can do is set the shutter speed as close as I can. 1/30th of a second. And I get nothing that I want to do correctly. And let me tell you, Action 5 Pro in photo, you may love it. I don't like it. I don't hate it, just not what it's supposed to be doing. And I took a photo by mistake because I didn't switch back. And this is video, so you can kind of see the difference between photo and auto and video. I'm walking on out. There's no light here. I'm not going down any further. I'm going the other way through town. It got me thinking. I went and found my tempered glass. I found a round one. I found on the Action 4 the hood that you could put on so you don't have flares. They've never given it to you in the Action 5 Pro. And I was able to put it on. But problem is, the lens intrudes out because this basically just a cover, nothing more. So if I get a bottle cap and I start to shave it down and cut it and glue everything together correctly and put it onto that lens hood, then I can make myself my own lens protector and see if it stops those light flares. But why would I want to start walking around when something that looks like a rigged up camera doesn't look good to me? And it may not look good to that person. It may bring attention or not. I want something that looks like a professional camera. Well, imagine having a beautiful storefront and then you got to start to just, do things like so. Rig it up so beautiful like this. It'd be a turnoff. So I leave it left as is, not worried. I don't want a lens flare, I'll pick up the Action 1 and just go film and not worry about it. I got a little redness on me. Well, the Action 5 Pro already got automatic skin tone and you can't correct it. It's not professional when things you just cannot control that are automatically set for you. I'm heading into town, like I said, taking a nice walk. And I'm in the Tunnel of Yellen. I'm making up a decision. I'll probably update. I gotta do it sooner than later. If I don't do it now, then I guess I'll miss out. Can't worry about it. It's my fault because I hesitated on the spot to grab it. Because maybe something else better will come out differently. I kept my eyes and ears open for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, $429. If I wanted the Insta Ace Pro, it was less. I wanted the Insta360 X2, top dollar. The X3, $329, and the X4 was $424, something like that, or $399. where I saw it for $395 was the lowest price. So to me, wasn't a great deal. DJI Action 4, 209, I think. Oh man, you can't pass that bad boy up. 329. 349, you could get the Action 5 Pro. That's a hard choice to make right there. And no questions about the GoPro Hero 13, 339. I thought it was 299. Well, really a choice you got to make this time round than to pass it up. But, you know, the next time will be there for you, just not today for me. So what do you think you got underneath the Christmas tree that Santa's bringing to you? What did you get that you put down? You don't want to give up your secret because then, you know, your kids, family, adults would definitely know because they all watch my channel. I'm going to stop because this video is video mode. I'm going to put it on super night mode. Super night mode. Video mode. I definitely did not, through the camera's eyes, see a difference in those two videos. I go home and edit, and then I could sit there, stare and compare. I just write video mode and super night mode, and you'll decide. And man, did I match those settings? Did I do things right? I don't know. Early on, we talked about brown and coloring. You like going into old or new, run down or, you know, modernize. You kind of get the idea where I'm coming at in ways. I want to turn my camera around nice and slow. And I want to show you what's on the sidewalk. It's a restaurant. Yes, indeed. Oh man, we'll slow down so you get to read it. Can you read that? It said the big boss, upside down. It's a barista shop at a haircut place. Oh, no, it's over here. I don't know if it's this place or not. Like I said, look, just stores. It's a shop that puts clothing outside every single day, even in winter. Really? Now this is how towns are. Towns give you spirit, wants to make you come. I know everything's all closed up. Here's a fruit and produce store. Look at the windows. I got a table. And yeah, auto store. How we live. A laundromat. At least you get to see things open. Get your laundry done. Drop off, deliver. Used to be an auto store, an auto shop. Had an axle done because somebody did my axle in Natick, Massachusetts, and they did it wrong, and I rode home with it. Put the wrong axle in. They were a good store. Did a good job. Can you see through here? Holiday stuff as soon as you walk in. All gated up. At least you get to see through. Well, I had my fun, my share, my ride, my talk, my long walk through town. I'm wrapping this bad boy up and getting on going, because I gotta go meet Joe. And Joe didn't treat me good the other day. I have to go figure out this email. And all they said was, okay, thank you. What does that mean to you? Okay, thank you. Gotta be a water main break. Or the sewers. Not this one, but that one as well. Something's happening. All this water just coming out. Things just give in old towns, and they give without warning. Yes, indeed. You know, these are the worst sidewalks in the world for the reasons of what happens if somebody runs a corner. They're great to go down, don't get me wrong. But when you want to have the sidewalk where you step down so you know you have a corner? But what happens when the water starts gushing and flooding the corner? And on that note, I am out of here.